Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT is a perfect blend of modern luxury and bold grand touring performance. From the moment you see it, the presence is unmistakable. At the front, the signature matrix grille now sits wider and lower, giving the car a stronger stance. The updated LED crystal headlamps glow like polished jewels, and the sharper hood lines add motion even when the car isn't moving. The front bumper features larger air intakes, improving cooling and giving the GT a more aggressive look. Moving to the side, the body remains one of the most elegant in the luxury coupe world. For 2026, deeper sculpted lines and wider arches give the car a more muscular profile. It rides on 22-inch forged wheels that combine comfort and grip, enhancing both performance and style. As the camera moves along the side, the long, sweeping roofline becomes obvious, connecting the windshield to the rear in one smooth arc. Flush-mounted door handles lift gracefully when approached, adding to the car's clean design. From the left angle, the wide rear shoulders stand out, hinting at the power underneath. The rear has also been refined. The bumper is reshaped for a wider, more confident appearance. Quad oval tailpipes sit inside a polished diffuser, making it clear that this is a luxury car with real performance. Slim LED taillights wrap around the edges, finishing off the sculpted look. Inside, the Continental GT becomes even more impressive. Handcrafted leather seats with 3D diamond quilting make the cabin feel like a private lounge. Bentley's rotating display remains a highlight, switching between a touchscreen, analog gauges, or a clean veneer panel with a single press. The steering wheel is wrapped in soft leather, ambient lighting runs across the cabin, and even the air vent controls feel like fine jewelry. Rear seats are designed more for comfort than space, but the materials and craftsmanship make them surprisingly pleasant for shorter trips. Under the hood, the 2026 Continental GT offers a refined 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and Bentley's iconic W12 in its most powerful version ever. Acceleration is smooth and forceful, launching the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just a few seconds. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts quickly when pushed and smoothly when cruising. On the road, the GT feels stable and confident. Bentley's updated adaptive suspension scans the road ahead and adjusts instantly, giving a floating yet controlled ride. The all-wheel drive system manages power intelligently, keeping the car balanced through corners. With the active exhaust system, you can switch from a quiet, refined sound to a deeper, sportier tone at any moment. Technology is integrated seamlessly. A sharp heads-up display, real-time navigation, and an optional 2,200-watt NAIM audio system deliver a premium driving experience. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, night vision, 360 cameras, and traffic sign recognition. What makes the 2026 Bentley Continental GT special is its ability to combine craftsmanship, performance, and innovation into one complete luxury machine. Every angle, front, side, rear, and every part of the interior tells the same story. This is a car built for those who want comfort, power, elegance, and presence, all in one masterpiece.